Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Guys, today I'm here to show you how you can repair your hair when you are still need it. Yeah, I'm here to show you how you can repair or how you can lock 3 or you can call it boxes. Yeah, if you want if you still want your hair, you can repair it through locking it. Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can lock it and you look very nice with your old hair, and it can show as a new one. Guys, I'm so sorry, I have some cough, but I'm not going to talk too much. This time around I'm going to let you see what I'm doing in the video. Yeah, first of all, you will use molding gel. When you are locking it, you will first apply molding gel. I know many of you know that gel, yeah, it's called molding gel. If you don't know that chemical or that Vaseline, you can go and ask where they sell Vaselines. Yeah, they will show you that molding gel. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Continue watching my videos, guys. I will continue giving you the best, guys. Maybe, by the way, guys, if you are new here, first subscribe, ring the bell so that you get notifications about the videos. Guys, let me leave you and see what I'm doing very careful. Thank you for loving me. Continue watching. how beautiful she is. She looks very, very beautiful. You may think that the hair is new. Thank you for loving new faces and hair. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. But if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe.